Welcome to Santorini, Greece, a breathtaking island known for its stunning sunsets, crystal clear waters, and rich history. Today, we'll take you on a brief journey from its fascinating past to its vibrant present. So let's dive in. Located in the Aegean Sea and part of the Cyclades Island group, Santorini is not just another beautiful destination. It's a volcanic island that was formed from a massive eruption thousands of years ago. The caldera you see today is a result of one of the largest volcanic eruptions in history, the Minoan eruption, which occurred around 1600 BC. Rich in history, Santorini is home to the ancient city of Akrotiri, a stunning archaeological site often referred to as the Minoan Pompeii. Unearthed in the 1960s, this site offers a glimpse into a sophisticated civilization that thrived before being buried by volcanic ash. Visitors can explore well-preserved frescoes and multi-story buildings that date back over 3,500 years. Today, Santorini is a vibrant hub of culture and tourism, attracting people from all over the world. The picturesque villages like Oe balance traditional charm with modern luxuries. You can enjoy delicious local dishes, wine tours at unique vineyards, and Instagram-worthy views at every turn. Did you know that Santorini attracts over 2 million visitors each year? From romantic getaways to family vacations, its enchanting scenery, nightlife, and friendly locals make it one of the most sought-after travel destinations in Greece. Whether you're here to soak in the sun on the beautiful beaches, taste the local cuisine, or simply watch the sunset from a cliffside terrace, Santorini is a dreamy destination that leaves a lasting impression on everyone who visits. If you loved this virtual tour of Santorini, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Tourlist, the new way to explore life. Join us for more amazing travel content and adventures. Leave a comment and share your favorite Santorini experience below.